Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping straight into a topic many of you have been asking about: how to set up and use task lists in Zoho Project. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's dive right in. First step, log into your Zoho Project account. Now, if you're new to Zoho Project, it's important to know that it's a versatile online project management tool that helps you keep track of your tasks and team. Once you're in, we'll head straight to the project where you want to add the task list. Here's why this matters. Zoho Project allows you to handle multiple projects at once, so selecting the right one is crucial. Next up, find and click on the Tasks and Milestones tab located on the top of your screen. This helps us because it's where we'll create and manage our task lists. Now that we've done that, let's create a new task list. Click the Add Task List button. You'll see it right below the Tasks and Milestones tab. Give your task list a name, and also you can provide a description if you want. The reason we do this is to organize your tasks under relevant headers, making it easier to navigate. Now, let's populate this list with tasks. Click on the Add Task button under your newly created task list. Fill in the details for the task, such as name, description, assignee, and due date. Remember, assigning tasks to team members and setting deadlines keeps everyone on track and ensures that work gets done on time. This is also the moment to set task dependencies. These are crucial for tasks that can't start until a previous one is finished. To do this, click on the Set Dependency button while creating or editing a task. By doing this, you're ensuring a smooth workflow and avoiding potential project delays. And there you have it. You've just set up and populated a task list in Zoho Project. But before we wrap up, let me explain why this matters. Managing your tasks in this way helps you keep track of progress, deadlines, and overall project flow. It's a game changer for productivity and team collaboration. So that's it for today's tutorial on setting up and using task lists in Zoho Project. Thank you for joining us, and remember, stay organized, stay productive. See you in our next video.